Hello, my lovely friends. I'm still here at the pool. Take a look. There's no one here. No one's in the pool. No one's in the hot tub. There's plenty of room for you. But instead, we'll do our lesson. I want you to look at our letters today. We've had SH and TH, and today we're going to have CH. And it's not going to say ka, it's going to say ch, ch. Alright? My picture is a chipmunk, and we would call him Chattering Chipmunk. Ch, ch. And there's a difference between the sound that SH makes, sh, and the sound that CH makes, ch. Because if I'm saying SH, I can make it go on and on and on and on. Shh. See how long you can make the sound SH. Shh. You could probably go on all day. Now, when you make the sound of CH, it stops. Ch, ch. So, ch is the sound of CH. Ch, at, chat. Let's have a little chat. Talking on the phone, have a little chat. Ch, ah. Sure, chop. He's going to chop the tree. He's going to chop some wood. Chop. Ill, chill. Sometimes when you're sick, you get the chills. Means you're cold. Ch, chip. What do you think chip's going to be? I have a couple of different pictures. Let's start with the best. Chocolate chip. Potato chip. And take a look at this bowl. There's a chip out of the bowl. So really, that's why we call these chocolate chips. It's not a whole big bar. They broke it up into little chip pieces. Ugh. Chug. And chug is when you take a drink and you drink the whole thing without stopping. I really wouldn't recommend it. It's not a great idea, but sometimes people chug. Looks like she's chugging the whole carton of milk as fast as she can. I must have. Did your brain see CK? Ick. Chick. Baby chick. Now we'll do chick and chicken. There's the chicken. Ch. In. What's that word? Sure, chin. Ch. S. Ch. S. And chess is a game that you can play. I don't play it, but some people do, and they move their pieces around the board. Ch, est, chest. I have a couple of different pictures. What do you think? Chest. Did you say your chest? Or a treasure chest? Or a chest of drawers where you can keep your jammies and things in? Ch. Oops. Sorry, I touched the wrong button. Ch. Did you see the CK again? Good for you. Your brain's getting used to seeing some of these letters together. Ch, e, k. Check. I have two different pictures. I can make a check mark on a paper, or I can write a check instead of handing over money. A check. Ch, imp, chimp. Oh, there's a chimp. Ch, amp, champ. He's the winner. He's the champ. Ch, chomp. The gator chomp. Now I'm going to put the CH on the end. Much. Read the speech bubble. I ate too much. You'll have a tummy ache. Rich. Rich. Oh, he's got a lot of money. He is rich. Now watch. Same word, but I put a capital. So what does that mean? It's going to be somebody's name, and you know whose name it is. Uncle Rich. Inch. Inch. And an inch is on a ruler. Pinch. Pinch. Pinch is when you put your fingers together to pick up something little, or some people pinch their pennies and save all their pennies. And of course, I did not put a picture of pinch that gets people in trouble, the unkind pinch, because we don't. Bench. Bench. It's a nice bench to sit on. Branch. Look at that great branch. You could climb out on that branch and then jump in. I hope that would be deep enough. Maybe it's a lake. Maybe it's a river. Sorry, messed myself again. Alright, take a look at that word. Did you see the word and? Sand. Itch. Sandwich. Something good to eat. Now, people that are learning English go, okay, that's fine. CH. Gonna make a brand new sound when I put them together. And then we say, oh, that's not all. Also, TCH is going to make that same ch sound. Do you notice this green box? It means a vowel is going to have to go here. A, E, I, O, U. A vowel needs to go there. So TCH is never going to start a word. It always needs a vowel first. Ch. Look at that. Two sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two sounds. All those letters. Itch. Switch. Switch. Okay? A switch can be a light switch, or they're going to switch books. I'll do it again so that you can see. They're going to switch. What? Itch. Which? Witches are just pretend. catch. Catch. Now, that says crazy, crazy English. In English, if I want book or cat or dog, that's how I write it. But if I want books, I'm going to put an S on the end. If I want cats, I'm going to put an S on the end of that. If I want dogs, I'm going to put an S on the end of that. I should have scooted them over a little bit. But there are 5 times when we use ES instead of S for more than one. And you've learned all 5 of these letter patterns. So now I'm going to tell you what they are. This is just crazy. Instead of an S, it's an ES. And the only reason I need you to know this is sometimes if you see a word and it has ES on it, then you can just remind yourself, maybe it's just talking about more than one. Here's the first time. If a word ends in S, okay, there's bus, and there's my bus. But if I say, there are 4 buses on the street, I'm not going to put another S, I'm going to put ES. So when you see this word buses, go like that and just remember, we don't put 2 S's together. And I'm not sure, I wasn't the one that made up that rule. Here's the second time. Words that end in SS. Dress. There's no word in English that has 3 of the same letter together. So if we put another S there, we would have 3 S's, and we don't do that. So there's a dress, but if I have lots of dresses, I'm going to put an ES. Here's the third time. If a word ends in an X. Fox. Lots of foxes. Here's the third time. If a word ends in SH. Dish. Lots of dishes. Here's the fourth time. Words that end in CH. Sandwich. Oh, lots of sandwiches. Here's the fifth time. Words that end in TCH. Match. Lots of them. Matches. All right, so I have patch. There's a patch on the scarecrow. And patches. Lots of different kinds of patches you can sew on a shirt. Latch. Latch. It's like a little lock that you can put. And latches. Latches. There's lots of them. All right, go ahead and read that for me. I have an itch on my chin. Look at the question mark, so I'm going to make it sound like a question when I say it. Did I wish to catch the ball? Do my socks match? How would you answer that? Me too. All right, take a look. Remember, this is going to say ed. Ed. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry. Let's go back. All right. I'm going to go fast, but I didn't mean to go that fast. D, re, l, br, dur, tur, thur, spur, ed, ahead, like you go ahead of me. Good work. And here's my little goodbye for you. Bye-bye, butterfly.